Good afternoon, sir. I'm Hazel Rose Salcedo from BSHM 1B. Question number 1. What was your favorite line from the movie and why? My favorite line from the movie is that when General Luna said, mas okay na mamatay ng lumalaban kaysa hayaan mong matalo ka na lang. I relate to this po because in real life, we should always wanted to fight before we give up. Question number 2. Who do you believe is the real enemy in the film and why? Based from the film po, I do believe that the real enemy is that ourselves. Because during the American colonialization, Filipino people don't have a unity and they don't know how to protect and fight our country. Question number 3. How did the conflict begin among the officials? The conflict began among the officials because of not having a understanding and unity in one organizations because they always wanted to get a power. Question number 4. If you were the Philippine president during the American colonialization, what actions would you have taken and why? If I were be the Philippine president during the American colonialization, the actions that I have taken is that having a unity of each and every Filipino for us to fight our country and to protect it. Question number 5. What learning did you gain from watching the movie? The learnings that I learned when I watched the movie is that we, the Filipino people, should always have a unity to protect our country and for us to have a better future. That's all. Thank you.